Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 7 of this house build. Let's get started. So as you can see, our build is turning up nicely. Um, First, just gonna change this to consistent color so that it's not hard for the computer. And also, I'm gonna extend this one. So as you can see, the border wall needs to go down a little bit. So I'm gonna change this to base offset um, minus 200 because that's the thickness of this wall. So now everything is nice. I know the shot will be here, but it looks like we need to extend it a little bit because I think we need more space for the view. So I'm just gonna extend this one a little bit like so. And then AL so that it's easier to do, and then AL again. Let's do the AL again once we're finished. So like that, and then edit this boundary and then use AL or align so that it's easier to change. So that's done. Um, what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna extend this one a little bit. It's because I want to add lights here. So in order to do that, I'm planning to add a small sweep. So here I'm planning to do that by going to component model in place. This will be a generic model. This will be 5, and I'm gonna set this one as a sweep and then pick path. So it's easy. I'm just gonna use this, and then here I'll make sure that this is TR, so trim and extend so that this will be extended. It's harder to see now, so I'm gonna change this to hidden line so that I could see it better. Now I need to extend this one a little bit like that. And then here, as you can see, where I first clicked, this is where we could add the model. So I'm gonna click finish and then edit profile. Now I'm just gonna add a small one, maybe 25 by 25 will be enough. And then this will be 25. After that, click finish. And then before that, finish again. And then change the material. Make sure it's not yet selected, the material that you're gonna use. I think I haven't used the linen white, so that will be good. So I use linen white so that I could put neon colors there or neon light, and then click finish. And then I will do the same thing on this side. So this will be good. Um, Now same thing, same idea. Model in place, generic model. This will be generic model number 6. Sweep. We're gonna pick the path. I want to make sure that I pick all of the corner and it looks good. I'm gonna finish that, edit profile, and use rectangle, and just use this and change to 25 by 25. After that, click finish, finish again, and then set the material before you click finish the last time. So now that will be the neon light, and that will be good. So this one, I could change this. So I'm going to split this face. The reason for that is this is white. I, as you remember, I changed this to white. Now I want to change this to this color. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this line, and that line represent the change that I'm gonna make. Click finish, and then now I could select this, and I could select this and change the material. So now I need to know what material this is strip. So I'm gonna click paint and look for parking strip. And now I could select that, and if we double check with realistic, as you can see, this is the same materials as that, but the remaining of the floor is similar to this, which is gypsum wallboard, so white. So it's good to have to know how to split faces, especially with extrusion and with this. So let's go back to hidden line. I'm still contemplating if I'm gonna add a pole. So we have this one's there. We could add lights here. So now I want to double check my camera view. So I'm gonna go level 1, and I'm going to check my camera view like this. So it will look like this in Twinmotion. For the people who doesn't want Twinmotion, we could go hidden line, back to hidden line, display graphics, cast shadow. You could do sketch lines, and then we could change this. Let's do a background, gradient, click apply, and as you can see, it looks nice now. Let's try inconsistent color. No. So hidden line will be nice as well. You could do sketchy lines. So you could enable this, and you could change this depending on your design. So as you can see, it looks nice as well. So I could just leave it like that. So at least I know that my view will be good. Um, it's just it's up to me to add more component. Um, so depending on how I like it, we could add in swimming pool at the back, or just leave it like this. And then also we could we're gonna add the cars, bikes, or whatever on Twinmotion. They have a good blocks there, and then for the boundary wall, we could add in some lights. But that's what I'm gonna do in Twinmotion. Um, let's see if we have something like that. I believe we have something like that in Revit. Um, I know in lighting and then wall. We have some wall pack, so something like this. Then we have some internal. So maybe let's go back and use the external. I'll use this wall pack light, and then I'm gonna open it and then click on component, and then we could add this one. Let's see if we could add it here. So it looks good. I could use this. Um, so this one we could add it as well on this side. So I'm gonna mirror this. Let's see if I could mirror it, or I could just use an align. Okay, I want to double check what height is this. Elevation is, let's make it 1200. 1300. Okay, so let's do 1300 so that it's easier. Okay, and then now let's go back to level 1, AL. I'm gonna align it from probably this. Okay, and then after that we could create a copy, or let's just move it at the back like this for now, and then get it again, copy, multiple, uncheck constraint, and then just simply add it 35. So I'm just adding it every 3500. And then here, lastly here. So I just noticed I think it's too much. Maybe every other. So I'm just deleting it. I think it's too much that I added like that. But I could do this and CS and add it on this side. So at the back, but it's not something that it will be shown. So maybe I'll just leave it like this. And then maybe I could erase this or delete this, select this, select entire project, and then I could just move it all the way here. So that's more than enough. Okay, so I think that's all that we could do in Revit. And then on the next video, we're going to do Twinmotion tutorials. So how I'm gonna add grass, the materials that I'm gonna use, how are we gonna make this light, and then anything else that we could design this, some furniture and those kind of stuff. So thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.